Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this progress timer that you see on the screen. I made one a while back, but it was completely different. So we'll go ahead and make this one. As usual, go to the media pool, right click, and do Fusion Comp. You can name it if you'd like, but you don't have to. And leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. Get a text node. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's on the screen. Select the text node. Go to the text box, right click. Time code. With the text box selected, get a merge, get a background, and an ellipse. Select the ellipse, right click on the width, expression, grab the pick whip, carry it over to the height, and let go. .25, so I'm going to leave my size. Go to background, change the type from solid to gradient, and the gradient type to angle. You'll see a green line in the screen. Grab the far left end of it, bring it over to the center, and on the start, X and Y, make both of them 0.5. Pick your first color, select the second diamond, select your second color, bring that diamond as close to the first one as possible, and then grab the other side of the green line. If you want it to start from the top, bring it over, put it like I did. We're going to animate this with the offset. Right click on the offset, modify width, anim curves. Put your playhead at frame 0. Go to the modifier. On the offset, minus 0.02, and that will depend on how close you got the two diamonds together on the gradient. Now go to the end, the scale 1.02. Right now our text is behind it, so right click on the merge and swap inputs. Select the text node, go to the modifier. You have options here. I'm going to deselect the hours. And if you put the playhead on frame 0, the timer will be on 0. At the end, it'll be 1 frame short. To correct that, put your playhead back on frame 0. Set a keyframe on the start offset. Advance a few frames. Change the offset to 1. Now it'll end right at the 5 seconds and start at 0. If you want to move the text, go back to Tools, Layout, well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.